When I started playing in Michelin star restaurants, I had a problem. I couldn't rely on sheet music, it's just not practical to bring 1,000 pieces of paper. I don't like reading sheet music because it takes me a very long time to study one song. Instead, I built a visual, ear-based pattern-based system that I call the color blocks. It's not that I'm trying to brag, but I want to show you how easy it is to play for as long as you want. The problem of traditional piano lessons is that many piano players feel trapped. They either rely on sheet music or use overwhelming apps. I built a different way, and that became my color block method. It's a visual, color-coded, pattern-based system that lets you improvise by ear without reading notes. What does it actually mean? Even if you have years of training but still struggle to improvise beautiful, emotional, soft piano music, this bridges the gap. It means that you can finally play something new without printing a new song. And I will tell you how it works. It consists out of 5 parts: the color block method, the melody protocol, the inversion system, the expression training, and the cinematic mastery. I have different videos on all of that on my channel that explain all of these, but together they solve one core problem. They teach how you generate music instead of reproducing it. And as a result, you can feel completely free improvising on the piano. Earn money playing in a Michelin star restaurant using my color blocks. You can sit down and play whatever you hear on the radio, or from a movie, or from memory. And you can instantly create new melodies, instantly come up with beautiful chord progressions, instantly play existing songs from simple chords like E flat major, F, G minor, and if you combine that with arpeggios, as a result of that, you can even compose your own work. If you just want to watch free videos, this channel will definitely help you. But if you want to solve this problem, watching is not enough. Join my school community if you want to stay in the loop whenever new openings become available. If that sounds like what you want, there's a link in the description to apply. I look forward to meeting you, and thanks for watching this video.